Heartbeat drums, they are speaking. Ancient voices softly creeping. Ooh, it moves me. Oh, it moves me. Endless waves, they pull me near. Feel the warmth, it melts my fear. No fear. Rise in the dawn, rise in the light. Hold me tonight. Rise in the dawn, rise so high. Rise in the dawn, under the sky.
Good evening, traders. Welcome back to the Daily Nights Traders Hangout. Welcome, everybody. For all the new folks in here, glad you guys are hanging out with us tonight. We're talking trading, we're talking life, and everything in between. So grab something nice to drink, water, drink, whatever you'd be doing. Grab some food, grab some snacks. Let's just vibe. Let's talk about the markets, and let's get it going. Hopefully, all you guys had a solid day today in the markets, and we're ready. Brett, how are you doing, sir? How are you doing, brother? And how's everybody else doing this evening? Hopefully you guys stayed safe today in the markets. And man, I'm thankful for what I made today, but I'm also annoyed because for the past week and a day now, every time we get off the stream in the mornings, as soon as I walk away, the market ends up doing something crazy. What's up, Ricardo? What is up, family? What's up, bro? Hopefully you guys did well today in the markets. Let me grab my water. Let me grab the waters. Because your boy's parched tonight. Did you guys see that bull flag that printed before this massive pump up here? Because last night I called out a bull flag and that thing ran the entire overnight session. It was crazy. Let me see what you guys could see. So let me put that down. There's that bull flag. Can you guys see that? Let me see. Yeah, perfect. You guys can see that beautifully. Let me draw real quick. The reason why I talk so much about these flags, right? The reason why I love these flags because they simply work. So we got the big old pole, the downward direction, then the push. So you would have this big old bull flag on the 2 minute right here. But what the market makers do for us, right? They give us like extra nudges. So here was another pole for a small bull flag inside the large bull flag. So say you didn't want to take it down here, right? Where my cursor's at. You watch it pump up a little bit. Then we print another bull flag right here to take us higher. And guess what happened? It did it again right here. Here's the pole, here's the flag portion, and the market continued up. So you had the big one, letting you know that we got a big move coming. Then we had some smaller ones that popped us up at, as well as confirmations. And that's like an A++ textbook bull flag setup right there. So we gotta love that. We gotta love that right there. They're just wiping the short stop loss. That's fine. That's A-okay, Bob. You know what I'm saying? Listen, as long as there's flags, your boy gets excited because I want to trade them. That's just me and how I trade. Did everyone do pretty decent today in the markets? Did everyone have a good day in the markets today since it was Monday? Let's see. All right, cool. So with us pumping like this, right? For me personally, I'm just going to be, if I was trading, I'm not actively trading tonight. I never trade the overnight sessions, but I'd be watching for these flags, bull flags or bear flags. Wait for the momentum and execute. That's it. Tomorrow we do have news. Tomorrow we do have news in the markets. Let me pull that stuff up so I can tell you what we got. Let me log in here. Open journal. There we go. So for tomorrow, we got 10 o'clock news tomorrow. 10 o'clock news tomorrow. Jolt's job openings. Jolt's job openings tomorrow morning. That's more of mood trading right now. All markets in sync. Hey, I don't trade the overnight sessions because they don't move enough for me. But these bull flags, try tempting a brother. But I'm gonna stick to the sessions I trade, so. Pio, how did you do today in the markets this morning, fam? What's up, Travis? How was your day today in the markets, bro? Hey, let's freaking go, Travis. Let's freaking go, bro. Bro, did you catch it on the big one or the confirmation flags? Yeah, bud. You had to eat all your food. You had to eat all your food, though. Did you ask mommy or no? Huh? Okay, then yes. But you had to eat all your food. Okay, that's fine. Hey, Travis, that's the one thing I always say, right? Trading is personal. So you gotta see what time frames work best for you at the end of the day. If these overnight sessions you're printing more money, do the overnight sessions, fam. Okay. Yeah, we had that big bull flag print, and then it's giving us 3 confirmation flags as well at this point, after the big one. So that's a really, really strong sign. It helps you, it takes the guesswork out of trading. That's why I love trading with flags, because it will continue to print the flags to let you know what direction it's trying to go. That's why I say trading is not difficult when you keep it freaking simple. What's up, Dan Paul? What's the sheep, boys? What's up with that? You talking about this big old bull run we got going on right now? Long, ooh, go ahead, boy, go ahead, make that smoney's, Dan. Love to see it, bro, love to see it. Yeah, Brad, how was your day today, bro? Was it solid? Did you do anything fun? Oh, you said good day already. Into the night. Your boy absolutely crushed his workout today. Like, my trainer's like, bro, you're really setting the tone for this week. I'm like, bro, I can't even breathe right now, please. How my trader try to hit me with the, oh, how you feeling? Your face is looking like it's thinning out a little bit. I'm like, bro, it's been a week. Like, it's been a week. At least wait till like we're 30 days in, tell me something like that. For everybody that's trading these flags right now, I'm low-key jealous of y'all. Just know I wish I was doing it with y'all. I wish we could get some good movement while on stream with y'all, because past week and a day now, every time I get off the stream, the market moves like crazy and I miss it. PL, from your lips to God's ears, bro. Hopefully it works out for you, fam. Reminder, do not fight the trend. Do not fight the wave of the market, right? Yep, go ahead. You're good. Because the market moves like a wave. I love going to the ocean. That's why I use the wave analogy, right? It goes up, it comes down, it flows. You want to flow with the market, not against it. Because for me, every time I go out, tread into the ocean, and I stand going, and a wave comes and smacks me, I'm like, dang, why did I do that? It's always easier to flow with it than going against it. Same with trading. It's always easier to go with the momentum of the market than against it. Travis, you are, wait, was that 4K across 3 accounts or 4K in each account? I made you into a madman, bro. This is craziness. I love to see it though. Travis, make sure you post that in the community discussion, fam. Woo. In each account, yeah. Travis is out here just killing it, boys. Straight craziness. It'll go 481. Anything's possible. Dang, Travis, let me hold $1, fam. Like, that's crazy. And you're only doing the flag plays? In the momentum or what? I gotta hear your method right now, bro. I know you did the wax on, wax off, but dang. You take it to a whole nother level. I love it. I love it though. Bro, I love that, bro. Travis, that makes me so happy for you, fam. So freaking happy. Dan, the flags always pay, bro. The flags always pay. Always. If you wait for the flags to have momentum, you will always get paid. Don't forget that 21 EMA. Nope, never forget the 21 EMA. I just like seeing where the 20 EMA is at, because whenever we get close to it, we either bounce off of it or we'll reject. So that's why I'm always looking at that EMA in the VWAP. No, I'm super, super happy for you, Travis, praying like this. Now, yeah, you can't look at the higher time frames, Pio. You have to drop the time frame down to see the flags. Now, Travis, the only thing I want to be able to do now, because I honestly want to say, like, you're probably one of my best guys that have taken the strategy and ran completely with it. That's awesome, bro. That's awesome. Once you get your first payout, bro, we're gonna have to do like a little Zoom call or something and live stream it. because a lot of people in the community, they do the strategy, but they don't stick only to it. They do other things, everything like that. So you're one of the first people that's actually just doing the strategy as a whole, and you're seeing the results. You're not adding all extra stuff, everything like that. You're doing exactly what the strategy was built for. I'm getting ready to shed a tear right now, boys. Proud father moment right now. Yeah, I'm talking to a grown-ass man. Crazy. The simplicity, bro. I be trying to tell people, bro, you gotta keep it simple. It's not because I'm trying to make them feel like we're hiding. No, it's like you keep this simple, you get paid. But definitely post those trades or your accounts or whatever in the community discussion. Let the folks know what you're doing to see this. Pio, he's going to easily get some pay. He's getting payouts this week. He's getting payouts this week with 2 different firms. And it's not about, let's see Travis's equity by the end of the month. It's not about that, bro. This is literally base hitting it and taking payouts. That's it. Just by keeping it simple. Because once you see the flag, once you learn how to spot the flags, you can never unsee them. That's why I love trading them so much. Because it's just so simple. I did drop another vlog today. I dropped another vlog today. You guys check out, let me know how you guys felt it was. It was when I was just in Mexico last month. And I was able to use the footage where I wasn't looking crazy sick, but the video's out. The video's out. We're currently working on the San Antonio video currently to get that one pushed out. Mental stop loss hit. Brett, question for you, since you said mental stop loss hit, right? What type of play were you looking for? And Pio, he learned my strategy about a month and a change ago. Like a month and a week, something like that, or a month and a half. He got in on these night streams, the morning streams, learning the strategy. He started doing the strategy because it's so simple, and he's been printing ever since. It wasn't like that right away. It did take a month, or Travis could chime in, but once he truly mastered it, it prints for him. Hey, fire up. That's awesome, bro. That's awesome. Brett, what type of play were you looking for? Were you looking for a bull flag? What type of play were you looking for, sir? Just trying to see what your eyes are showing you or telling you. Good evening for all the new folks in here. Welcome. Hopefully you're having a solid Monday night or Tuesday morning, depending upon where you're tuning in from. Bro, I've seen you trading your strategy live. It's not that simple. I don't know. Pio, you don't think my strategy is not simple, bro? Why do you think it's complicated? Because I got people printing with it because it's so simple. Now I'm curious, sir. I'm expecting this to potentially, let me pull the chart back up. Yeah, this is going to be another bull flag. Grab us another line. Just be careful because we still got selling pressure there, Brett. I know you're doing, these are mental in the head, but you got selling pressure there. So I would not be trying to go long yet. You know what I'm saying? If you're trying to take it long, I'll be waiting until we cross through that top yellow line, to be real with you. Yeah, I'd be patient right here if I'm trying to look for a trade. Because we haven't even built structure for a mini bear flag yet. It wants to do something. We're going to have to see. I've seen you skip so many bad flags and entries. What's up, Niner? What country? Well, what country are you in, bro? I'm in the US. Pio, it's not that I skip flags, but if I don't see exactly what I'm looking for, I'm not going to take a trade. So like this morning, right? That waterfall right at market open for during the first 15 minutes, I wish I could trade it, but I have a rule for myself where I wait the first 15 minutes of market open. Okay, nice, Travis. Nice, bro. My logic, making a flag up and down consolidation. If I get at the bottom of the flag as it forms, I'm up even if it doesn't break up. True, very true, Brett, but you're risking that potential of it not dropping, like breaking. Have a good night, brother. Enjoy the DR, fam. That's why I purposely wait till it breaks the flag, just to play it safe. Because the one thing we're not trying to do, we're not trying to lose money. Does it happen 100%? But the goal is to protect our capital. So that's why I don't pre-run like flags and stuff, because I know for me, yes, I can jump in right when the flag's forming, but I don't want to be in drawdown. What's up, Shaggy? How's your night going, fam? Oh, my trainer loved the back of the shirt. This is the 1K a day keeps the bills away shirt. So he's like, bro, I love your shirt. I'm like, come on now, he's a trader too. I'm like, bro, if you actually get 1K a day, you're never stressing money ever again in your life. If you are stressing making 1K a day, you're doing something wrong. And it's not trading, I'll tell you that. Hey, come on, Essa. Let's get it, bro. Listen, trading personal accounts are great, but trading prop firms is so much safer, and honestly, it makes you a better trader as well. Essa, what firm are you going with for your prop firm account? All right, we just printed we're trying to print a small little flag inside this bigger flag, right? So expecting this to be a flag, but we're printing a smaller one inside the big one. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. Shag, yeah, I completely agree with you, bro. The only people that don't like the rules with prop firms are traders that aren't trying to become better. And they're just looking at prop firms as a casino. S-Sub, I always recommend Tradeify, Lucid, Take Profit Trader, and then Apex. In that order. But if you get an account currently with Lucid, use code VAULT, that'll get the account down to $78 for you. Let's go, Steve. How's your day been, fam? Travis, thank you for listening, bro. Like, thank you for listening, bro, because I know when you first came in the streams, you're talking about how you were trading personal funds, and I was trying to convince you not to. I'm glad you could see the light. I'm glad you could see the light. Which one allows you to trade on X platform? You just need to double check. That I don't know, because I only trade on TradeAvay and NinjaTrader, personally. Yeah, on Tradeify, use code LWS on Tradeify. That will get you 30 to 40% off the account. I think I had PTSD from last night. Yeah, it ain't supposed to be raining. You know, I was like, did I just feel a sprinkle? I must be talking something, some spit hit my arm or something. S-Dub, Tradeify and Lucid have zero activation fees. So what you pay to get the eval, that's all you pay. And then if you're trading with Tradeify, say you don't pass your account, you don't pass your eval within the first 30 days, it is a subscription, it'll renew the next month if you don't cancel it. Tradeify does have the better dashboard, and their trading journal you'll fall in love with. Travis, that was the same for me, bro. Like when my eyes opened to what prop firms were, I'm like, oh, I'm only trading prop firms. It makes so much more sense. Why risk your own capital if you could trade the same exact way and pay yourself the same exact way? Trying to see what we're going to get here, because we're not getting that bullish momentum to the high side right here. So I'm just waiting. To me, that's not, I can't say that's a bear flag, bro. Undercover, what's up, bro? S-Dub, with Tradeify, you could do the eval in 3 days. With Lucid, you could do it in 2 days. Yeah, Pio, that's because they haven't learned a simple strategy, bro. And that means if they went through 10 accounts, right? That means they're treating it like a lottery. Shaggy, I've been trading now for a year and 8 months. Out of those year and 8 months, it took me 5 months to become profitable in the markets. SW, you gotta make, no, you got, if you're doing the 50K account with Tradeify, you have to make 3K. There's no time limit. So you have until you pass it to make the 3K. There's no time limit. But the minimum amount of days is 3 days. All right, Travis is calling it. Let's see, bro. We got that 21 EMA creeping. He said something about the 5 minute. Yeah, see, that 5 minute look like, that's where you saw the mini bear flag on the 5 minute. I'm looking at the 2 minute. I see the mini bear flag on the 5, but switching back and forth real quick. Oh, what happened? I moved too fast? There we go. I would expect us to bounce off the 2 minute EMA to go higher. If we don't bounce off that 21 EMA and go higher, Travis, then I would be looking for the short. S-Sub, I would not recommend that because they do have consistency only in the eval with Tradeify and Lucid. Once you're in the funded, there's no more consistency rules. It's a 40% consistency, 40% on the select accounts. Do it like in a week. Pass it in a week. Don't put 3K all in one day because your consistency will be up the wazoo at that point. So do like 1,500, and then on your last day, put just a little bit in. Lucas, you went through 23 accounts today, bro? Slow and steady, bro. Slow and steady. Base hits. Yep, base hits, Shaggy. That's all I preach on these streams and my channel. Stop you, bro? I can't stop you, bro. You gotta walk away, fam. For your family, for everybody you care about, and your own bank account, bro. Walk away. Do not trade right now. Yeah, we've all been there. We've all been on tilt. And if a trader says they've never been on tilt before, they're not a real trader. All right, so we're right at that 21 EMA. This is where I'll be trying to see if we're going to continue up or not. What's up, R? You snuck on in here, bro. How's your day been? Gus, I do, yes. You have the later markets are definitely slower. Hey, let's go, Art. Art, we gotta connect, bro. Like, for real. I need to see how much you gonna charge me, bro, for some marketing. I want to get my Facebook ads running, like solid ones. You know what I'm saying? Where it just printing, boy. My day was solid. Only did technically 3,900, but I had a 1K loss on one of the accounts, so that put me at 29 and some change a day. That's not good, PO. So, we have not pushed yet. We have not pushed off this 21 EMA. If we don't push, this is my line that if we had followed through that line, that's when I'll be trying to take the short. P, at least you're only on tilt doing back testing. You're not trading actual funds. Well, that's why I've been feeling like this big bull flag, right? But if we lose this 21 EMA with momentum, we'll definitely go down and tap that pivot. So that's why I like having lines on top and bottom. So I have lines in the sand, so I know exactly what to look for. Nice, Art. I think I'm addicted to Chipotle, boys. I'm allowed to have Chipotle on my nutrition plan my trainer gave me. I think I'm addicted. Not gonna lie. Chipotle is my go-to meal after every workout. Okay, I'm at 1 mil. Brett, I love you, fam. That's awesome. Make your millies, bro. Make your millies. Tomorrow, back in the markets, just base hitting like usual, just base hitting. Because if I base hit, I forget how much, I think like 200 bucks, something like that. I'll probably take a payout tomorrow as well. But if it's markets are moving, I'm gonna try putting as much in as possible. Base hitting, yes sir. I can't hear you, bud. What? You don't like his snores? It's okay. Go get in bed. So I'll come check on you once I'm off the stream. I will. Go get in bed, bud. Time for night nights. There's no reason to be scared. I'm right here. If the bad guys home, boom, boom, boom. Okay. Go get in bed, silly. Love you. Let's see here. What's up, JJ? I think this is a perfect time while this market's trying to figure out what it wants to do. We got some selling wicks there. We got some selling wicks, so be careful, folks. What is up, everyone? Welcome to the Traders Hangout. We do these streams every single night of the week, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time, where we talk trading, where we talk life, and everything in between. Welcome, everybody. For all the new folks in here, I need you to do a couple things for me. Number one, let me know in the chat where you're tuning in from. These streams are global, and I love to see where everybody's tuning in from because we got people in every corner of the world. Number two, go ahead if you haven't already. I know some of you already did it for me. Go ahead and hit the like button and the subscribe button. By doing that, that will let you be notified every time we go live, which is every day of the week for every night's Traders Hangout. And we go live every morning, 9:20 a.m. Eastern, where we're actively taking trades in the New York trading session. Come vibe with us, come grow with us, and come learn with us. Appreciate everyone tuning in. Lucas, you can only have 5 funded accounts. Will Lucid, 5 funded accounts. Pio, that's good, bro. That's good that you treat them with that much respect. I love that. That's awesome, Gus. He will change your life, bro, in the most positive way. What's up, Kane? Wakanda forever. Wakanda forever, bro. Welcome, sir. Gus, you've been trying the, bro, have you been trying the glass or plastic? Always do the glass, bro. It's always better. Oh, you mean Tradeify Select, Brett? Yeah, that's up slow and steady, bro. Slow and steady. Once you pass your first eval, then go ahead and get another one since you'll have one funded, one eval, base hitting both. So that way you can, that's how you scale your accounts. Yeah, it's 40% consistency. What's up, Edgar? What's up, Alex? Gus, I love these glass bottles, bro. The water just comes out so perfectly. And then S-Dub, once you get your first payout, right? Once you get your first payout, that's when I always recommend you at least take $100 from your payout to reinvest to get another account. Kane, I have not seen that. So let's check the temperature of the room tonight. Let's check the temperature of the room tonight. Question for everyone that traded today or currently trading. How did we do today, family? Are we up? Are we down? Are we all around? How did we do today? If you're not green today, guess what? Tomorrow's a new day where you can simply base hit and execute. Tomorrow's a clean slate. If you were green today, hey, congratulations. Tomorrow's a new day. Refresh your mind, reset, go back to execute. Let's get it, S-Dub. You got it, bro. Undercover, that's all right, bro. Tomorrow's a new day, fam. You'll be good. You'll be good. Ark, I feel that one, bro. I hate that. I hate when you're greening your fundeds and you still blow like a couple evals. You get more pissed off that you blew evals than what you made in your fundeds. It's wild. Noble, that's good though, bro. Take your time. It's always here, bro. The futures market has been around for 175 years. You ain't missing nothing. It will always be here. Ark, I don't know why either, right? Like for me personally, if I blow an eval, like I'm harder on myself than if I blew a funded. I don't know why. It's crazy. Yeah, we're real tight right here. We're real tight on my yellow line, like perfectly right there. It's either we're going to lose this 21 EMA or we're getting ready to rocket ship. What is up? What is up, folks? For everyone that's tuning in this evening, hopefully you had a solid Monday. If you didn't, guess what? Tomorrow's a new day, and you'll have a solid day on Tuesday. If it's already Tuesday for you, hey, you're already ahead. Cool thing I gotta tell you guys about real quick. I dropped a Mexico vlog, just posted it today. Check that out. Let me know. I was actually sick the entire trip, so I used the footage that I didn't look like I was dying in. Take a look. Let me know how you guys feel. Currently working on the San Antonio vlog to get that pushed out. That one's going to be a fire banger one for you as well. Hopefully you guys are enjoying. For all the new folks in here, I got to tell you something. I'm on a trading tour this year. So I'm going to a new country or state every single month of the year, visiting Legacy Wealth Society members. That's my private trading community and YouTube subscribers. So we've been to Canada in January. Mexico was February. San Antonio this month of March. Next month, we're having a big traders meetup in Florida, and we're going to Colombia. So if that interests you, make sure you're tapping in and growing with us and learning with us. S-Sub, less is more. Less is more when it comes to trading, bro. Less is more. Yeah, my girl, like, if I tell her I was ready an account, she doesn't ask if it was funded or eval, because she knows that I get pissed off the same exact way, regardless. Pio, from your lips to God's ears, fam. Yeah, last week, Art, it was probably one of my best trading weeks yet for this year. Your boy did over $26,000 last week trading the chop, and you know I hate trading chop too. So slowly but surely, fam, I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you, bro. Nah, there's more than enough for all of us. No, I know you love trading the chop, bro. I don't know. I can do it, but I don't always like it. Oh, that's why I make decent money. I can't say that's why I make the most money. All right, yeah. If we clear that previous candle wick right there, we're going to start pushing. So we need to clear that 356.25 area, and we'll start pushing if we get up there. That was on, I would have to go back and double check exactly how many accounts, but that was on like 14 accounts, I believe. 14 accounts. All right, so far so good, bro. I took a payout live last Thursday with you guys. So far, not too shabby. I'll be taking another payout with them this week. Just base hitting and taking payouts, that's it. Essa, that's nothing. Ark in the chat, he's running like 46 accounts, you know what I'm saying? Ark, 20 more? Well, I already know you're with Apex. Are you with Tradify yet or no? I know you were TPT. What firms do you already have? No, not yet for which? Tradify or Lucid? That's there's a method to the madness. There's a method to the madness. Okay, bro, if you only got TPT tops up, you still have your Apex accounts or no? Yeah, all right, cool. So you still got your Apex. Honestly, bro, right now, go ahead, get yourself 5 accounts with Lucid. That's the max funded accounts you can have with them. Right now, for you, bro, it's dirt cheap. Use code VAULT. That'll get you like tons of money off. Then get 5 with them and then 5 with Tradify. Make sure you use code LWS though for Tradify. Do the flex plan, bro. Flex plan with Lucid. Flex plan with Lucid, select plan with Tradify. So Vault for Lucid, that's not my code, that's the company's code or whatever. They'll get the eval sound like super cheap. And then Tradify code LWS. I'm surprised you haven't already had Lucid or Tradify yet, bro. Slightly disappointed in you, fam. I thought for sure you already had those bad boys. Are we getting ready to roll over here and start coming on down? We're real tight right now. We're real tight. What's up, BP? BP, I'm thinking for May, we do a big traders meetup in Texas. Bro, honestly, I love the 50K accounts, personally. The consistency, well, Art, if you do the select accounts with Tradify now, right? The consistency is 40% consistency, but once you're in the funded, there's no consistency. Yeah, I got you, BP. Once I got the details dialed in, I'll let you know because we gotta see how many people will actually be having showing up. Travis, you still in here, bro? Pio got a question for you, bro. Yeah, I'm currently working on getting fully funded with Apex, believe it or not, since you can run the 20 accounts with them. Yeah, I'll do that once we do the Florida one. But it'll most likely be like mid-May, probably, for the Houston meetup. When you say consistency, what exactly do you mean by that? Well, good question, S-Dub. So trading with prop firms, right? It's one of those things where they want to make sure you're not just getting lucky. So they have consistency rules. Like with Tradify, they have a 40% consistency rule only in the eval stage. When you're in the funded stage, there's no consistency. So in the eval stage, they want to make sure you're not just swinging for the fence and getting lucky one time, and that's how you made all your money for your account. They want to see you actually make money consistently in your account to be able to pass it. You could pass the eval with Tradify in 3 days. 3 days, but you gotta do base hits. Your profit target is $3,000. My recommendation is do like 1K a day, right around there for 3 days. You pass it without having to think about consistency. When you're in the funded stage, why like now that they got rid of the consistency rule, now say you have a runner going and it's just shooting up, you no longer have to close it. Where before in the funded, like on the growth account, they have a consistency rule. Say the market was running, you're in the trade, you would have to kill the trade, of course in green, but you have to watch it keep going or else it's going to mess up your consistency where you would not be able to request a payout yet. So that's why I love all the firms that went over to no consistency in the funded stage, because now you can make even more money without thinking, well, what's up, Olay? Good morning, sir. How's Indonesia treating you this morning? All right, we're coming right back to that pivot point, not pivot, that 21 EMA. Yeah, BP's always in the building, bro. I met up with BP in San Antonio earlier this month. Essa, that's why we do these streams, fam. No rain. Hey, Ulay's loving life right now. It's not raining where he's at in Indonesia. That's awesome. All right, we lose this 21 EMA. We're going to start waterfalling pretty quickly here to that pivot and possibly that VWAP that's coming up. Bag boy Billy, I do trade Bitcoin, but I don't actively trade Bitcoin. I do buys and I just hold. So I do purchase crypto, I just hold, because in 15, 20 years from now, it's gonna be crazy. So I do long-term holds. Every time the market pulls back, we buy more. Buy the dips and hold the rips. That's it. Help me send 50 bucks. Bro, I don't have $50 to send. My bad, bro. Nice, Art. That's awesome. I need to get some more XRP, actually. My thoughts on the war, honestly, a lot of smoke and mirrors. A lot of smoke and mirrors going on with it on all sides. Honestly, with the war stuff going on, you just gotta be a little bit more careful in the markets. Peter, are you even profitable? You can ask the chat if I'm profitable. I won't even answer that one. Peter, you're funny, bro. I think Peter should go to the VIP room. Peter, do you want me to show you what the VIP room is? I got you, bro. Awesome. So with the VIP room, Peter, a lot of people, honestly, a lot of people wish they could go to the VIP room sometimes. But since you're the first one tonight, I want to give you the opportunity to check out the VIP room, all right? No, Peter's been sent to the VIP room. It's a place with white walls, and it's completely padded. You know what I'm saying? Bag boy. That's awesome. What's a good platform for beginners and brokers? Honestly, bro, since you're asking about brokers, I do not recommend. Well, first off, how long have you been trading for? That's the first question. How long have you been trading for? I'm gonna answer your question, but this is a conversation. We're gonna go back and forth, and I'm gonna help you real quick. Three months, okay. Are you trading personal funds? I'm assuming you are because you asked about brokers. How much did you invest? Okay, how much did you initially invest in your brokerage account? Ark, I'm getting up there too, bro. I'm a year and 8 months now, fam. I can't wait where I can say, yeah, I've been trading for 10 years. Like, that's gonna be crazy. Nothing much, like $2,000. Awesome. Are you trading futures? Are you trading Forex? What are you trading? I'm about to blow your mind right here. Forex, okay, cool. This is what I want you to do, sir. That $2,000, do you still have that $2,000 or are you currently down? Are you green or are you like lower than the $2,000? What I recommend you to do, number one, you still have, cool. Take your money out, fam. Take your money out of your brokerage account. Yes, you're like, what's this guy talking about? Take the money out. Take your money out and purchase a prop firm account. Since you have $2,000, take your $2,000 out and take $200 of your $2,000 and buy two prop accounts. Here, good. Travis is still here, folks. Travis is still here. Me and Travis had this conversation a month and a half ago. This man just made tonight over $10,000, right? Over 10 grand because he listened. He listened. Listen, do not trade your personal funds. This is coming from a trader that prints money in the markets. Do not trade your personal funds. Buy two prop accounts with the $2,000 you had, right? Use that, perfect your strategy, perfect how you trade, and don't risk the rest of your money. So you'll have $1,800 in your pocket and you're only invested $200. But from that $200, if you come to these streams and you watch what we doing, you will simply print money in the markets, bro, by keeping it simple. No War, honestly, he's a new trader. He's been trading for 3 months. His odds of making money on that $2,000 are very slim. It's not about him. It's not that he can't do it. He can do it. But the issue is you have to master the psychology to truly master the charts. You know what I'm saying? And I don't want to see him lose his $2,000 because he didn't know how to do this yet. So bro, we do these streams every single night of the week. Monday through forever. Monday through forever. What's going on with this? What happened there? I gotta talk to you. We do these streams literally, bro. Every single night of the week. We talk trading, we talk life, and everything in between. I even give away free eval accounts for different prop firms. I just gave some away on Saturday. But we also stream Monday through Friday, 9:20 a.m. Eastern time, live, us trading the New York trading session. Come, learn with us, grow with us, join my private trading community. It's free. Free. It's free to join. Join us so you can learn how to do this. And by learning how to do this, you will actually maximize your profits. Lucas, I don't know what instruments Lucid carries, I never really looked into that, but use code VAULT. That's their code, that's not mine. That'll get you a really nice discount. But that's true, but why not pull out the 2K and perfect his? No war. Honestly, pulling out the money will save him money. Been watching for a while. Listen and watch. Your boys got the sauce. Well, I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Just trying to make sure you guys are winning. That's it. What platform do you recommend just starting? Honestly, DeMarcus, I recommend Tradeify. They will be one of the best firms you will ever trade with. Tradeify, Lucid, Take Profit Trader, then Apex. If you go with Tradeify, make sure you use code LWS. That will get you over 30% off your account. You're welcome. The strict rules on prop accounts. No, 100%. There's nothing that you can trade that doesn't test your psychology. Like, even, put it this way, even my trainer, right? He trades. He trades as a hobby on the side. I'm gonna get him to become a full-time trader, watch. He will be a full-time trader once, by the end of this year, easy. But even he said, he's like, bro, like, I don't know why, sometimes I'll be up, and then I'll want more, and then I just keep clicking, and then I lose everything I made. I'm like, yeah, you were dealing with greed. Psychology. Trading is 95% psychology, 5% clicking the button in your strategy. Yeah, Pio, but we're not trying to have people risking it all, bro. Bro, join the community, bro. It's free to join. The link is pinned. Let me know when you join, I'll get you added. And that goes for everybody. If anybody in here wants to join the community, it's free to join. By all means, come join the family. Once you become part of the Legacy Wealth Society, you have a family for life. Are you worried about the drawdown rules and such? It's scary. Honestly, no war, I never think about drawdown. Why do I not think about drawdown? Because I have such a simple strategy. I don't think about drawdown. I'm willing normally to risk, just me, $1,000 per trade. We simply print money for the New York session. No, this is not financial advice whatsoever. But if someone says they invested $2,000 in the markets and they've been trading for three months, I will definitely say, take your money out. It is not worth it. Why? Because when I was first trying to learn in 2022, I was trying to trade for less than a month. I put 10 grand in and I lost all 10 grand. What's up, Chandler? How you doing, brother? Yeah, you're not going to be risking $1,000 per trade. You may risk $100, $200. It just depends on your tolerance and your skill level. Honestly, it depends on what type of work you do. Keep it small. You gotta do base hits, bag boy. You gotta do base hits. Hey, Chandler, Up 900. Boy, you go, man. I love seeing the Legacy family just printing. I love to see it. I'm ready to trade tomorrow. Talking to y'all tonight has got me jacked on the juice, ready to freaking trade tomorrow. Chandler made money. Travis printed like over 10K a night. Yo, you guys are making me like want to FOMO in, but it's not going to happen. It ain't going to happen. I'm going to trade tomorrow. I don't know, I think my computer froze because this market ain't doing jack diddly right now. It's just sitting there. Yeah, that was crazy, Chandler. Like, Lucid definitely pays fast. I love that. Today was pretty solid. I did $2,900, technically $3,900, but I lost 1K in account, so put me at 29. Green, 3,900 if I don't count the one trade on one of the accounts. Slowly but surely, Chandler. I'm trying to get like y'all, fam. I'm trying to get like you and BP in the gang and Travis. I'm trying to keep up with Travis at this point. Travis, we'll be there, bro. We'll be there. All right, we're finally losing that 21 EMA. Are we finally going to start falling here? Nah, I'm trying to get like you, bro. You trade the Asian session and print over 10K. I'm trying to get like you. Is it possible to get the Zoom call volume? I'll check into that in the morning, Chan. I'll check in on that in the morning. Yeah, he did over 10K. He literally did 12K a night. He's my wild man. I pulled him from the clutches of the markets a month and a half ago. I showed him the way, and he just ran right through it. All right, we're still hugging this 21 EMA right now. Whenever this finally breaks, it's going to be a solid move. But the question is, will we be here for that break? Because I'm getting off at 11. Into the night. He's a wild man, Chandler. He's a wild man. His eyes were open to the strategy, the bull flags, the bear flags, only with momentum with the Rinkos. It's been on and popping for this man. I love it, though. I love it. Travis, you're working on that payout this week, right? Or are you doing it for next week? Hey, Travis, when you freaking take that payout, bro, you better post that bad boy in the community discussion so everybody can see what happens when you follow a simple strategy to the T. Just saying. Oh, that's even crazy. He just waits for the momentum. How are you spying the momentum without the rinks, bro? That's crazy. I trade on TradeAvate and Ninja Trader. Ninja Trader when I'm home, TradeAvate when I'm traveling. But we trade every morning live with you guys on YouTube and in my private trading community with the market makers. Bro, my eyes open, but I can't get it. Dave, no, absolutely not, sir. I only trade 9:30 a.m. till 11. After that, I'm done. True. Hey, Travis, don't change what you're doing, bro. Look for the flags. If your eyes spot a momentum on the regular candlesticks better, do it that way. Do not change what you're doing. You are simply printing, sir, and I'm happy for you. Yeah, Dave, because guess what? Your boy trades live in the morning, and every night we do a traders hangout. That's where we talk trading, we talk life, and everything in between, sir. Welcome back. Like these trader hangouts, they're more laid back where we're just vibing. Have a good night, Travis. Have a good appointment in the morning, bro. Yep, I got 15 more minutes, and then I'll be getting off as well. Well, Dave, I appreciate you, fam. I appreciate you liking the vibe this morning. The night vibe is even better. Well, at least I think it's a little bit better. It's more laid back, you know what I'm saying? We're not actively trying to trade. P.O., he is not risking 10% daily. Yeah, this range is pretty tight right now. This is a super tight range right now. But there's no momentum, there's no volume, so that should let you know don't trade. And that's real. For all the new folks in here, first off, welcome to the Traders Hangout. We do these streams every night of the week, Monday through forever, 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. We talk trading and we talk life. Welcome to tonight's Traders Hangout. We also go live every morning, like I said, 9:20 a.m. Eastern for the New York trading session, where you hear myself and my market makers in my private community executing trades for the New York trading session. We'd love to have you be a part of that. That's where we simply look at winning in the markets each and every day. With that being said, for all the new folks in here, I need you to do your boy a favor tonight. I need you to do me a favor. Number one, let me know in the chat where you're tuning in from. These streams are global, and I want to know what corner of the world you're tuning in from. Number two, hit the like button and the subscribe button so you're always notified when we go live, since we go live twice a day. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully you're enjoying the vibe. If you got questions, let me know in the chat and we'll all get them answered for you. Let's keep it going. P.O., he took the bull flag that printed earlier in tonight's session and rode that thing. He rode that thing to the top. Bag Boys in Vegas, awesome. We got Texas in the house. That's crazy. We're gonna be having another Texas Traders meetup in May. We're having another meetup in May in Texas. What's up, Israel? Pia, have a good night, bro. I was just in Texas earlier this month in San Antonio. I met up with BP in the chat. Lucas, I do not know. I don't stay up to date with all the different sales and everything. Well, at least it's just on paper, bro. That's why you're so exuberant tonight, you know what I'm saying? Because if you're down in fun, real fun, oh, you wouldn't be on stream, I'll tell you that right now. Did you join the community, bro? Because until you join the community, you're on the YouTube family, but you're not part of the legacy family yet. You know what I'm saying? My trainer tried to hit me today with, oh, your face looks like it's thinning already. We've only been working out for like a week. I'm like, fam, I know it can happen fast, but it ain't happening that quick. Yeah, all you guys need to join the community, bro. We're finally starting to push up finally. Only took since, what time was this? Ooh, a while ago. Let's see if we push up, build us a little flag, and take us higher. We got that pivot up there as well. So that'd be the target. That target would be the pivot. But for me, I would want to see a flag at this point. We got about less than 10 minutes. We got less than 8 minutes now, actually. Less than 8 minutes. And I'll be jumping off the stream. Your boy wants to go relax, shower, and chill. So I can mentally get prepared for what we're going to do to the market tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? We are going to crush the market tomorrow as a whole, as a community. Yeah, I'm excited for it. So, a question for you guys. What type of videos do you want to see me drop on this channel? Do you want more like educational videos? What type of videos you guys, what are you guys interested in? What type of videos you want? Because I am working on pushing out one video a week for the month of April. That crack felt so good, wow. I did drop a vlog this evening from one of my Mexico trips from last month. So check that out. I couldn't use all the footage when we were out there because your boy was sick, so I used the good footage that I didn't look like I was dying in. Yeah, let's see if this gives us our flag. Well, line up just a little bit, just a tad, just a tad. Come on, Betsy. Animal in my backyard. Must be the raccoons. I got a raccoon family that cuts through my bushes like every night. We do have news tomorrow. We do have news tomorrow, folks. This is your reminder for the news tomorrow. We got 10 o'clock news tomorrow, Jolt's job openings. So that should possibly make the markets move a little bit. I'm hoping it does. But we do have news tomorrow. We got news the rest of the week, actually. So hopefully you guys are excited about that because that should make some of the choppiness be a little bit more smooth. What's up, Dev? Good evening, sir, or good morning, depending on where you're tuning in from. All right, we got 4 more minutes. Does anybody have any questions? Any questions before we get off the stream tonight? How to start? Okay. So, are you currently a trader or are you trying to learn how to start trading? Fruit juice. I'm gonna get you added to the community right now, bro. Welcome to the family. Okay, I recommend, since you're just starting out on trying to learn how to trade, right? First of all, I recommend joining my community. It's free to join. It's for traders by traders, and it will honestly fast track you to the success you want. It's free to join, like I said, but you have to learn to keep this simple. The way new traders mess up is they overcomplicate this. You need to learn a strategy that works for you. There are tons of strategies out there that work for tons of other people, but that doesn't mean the strategy is going to work for you. You need to learn a simple strategy that's simple, that you can do each and every day without having to think about it. Like the strategy that I built, it's crazy, stupid, simple. Why? I personally did not want something that needed all these extra things to make it work. I like convenience and simple. That's me. So the strategy I built is simple. I trade bull flags, bear flags, only with momentum. No momentum, no trade. But I also recommend you trading with a prop firm. Do not trade your personal funds. Why do I say that? Because when I first was trying to learn how to trade just like yourself, I put in $10,000. I lost all $10,000. So that's why I say trade prop accounts, not personal funded accounts, so that way you can preserve your own capital. And just so you know, I stream every single night, for the Traders Hangout, where we talk trading, where we talk life, and everything in between. We also stream every morning, Monday through Friday, 9:20 a.m. Eastern Time, trading the New York session. So hit the sub, hit the like button, so that way you can always be a part of our trading in the mornings and the nights, so that way you can learn and get fast tracked to the success here. Am I trading a live account? I do have a live brokerage account, but I mainly trade my prop accounts. Live to fight another day, bro. Well, originally, when I lost 10K, right? That's back in 2022 February. So I had an extra 10K sitting around. I'm like, you know what? Let me try trading it. Put in a live brokerage account with Ninja Trader. I lost all 10K within less than 2 weeks. I did not look at trading for 2 years. Then in August of 2024, my blood brother told me about prop firms. He was learning how to trade. Well, that sounds pretty cool since I just lost 10K 2 years ago. So I took from August 2024 through December 2024 to build my strategy, and I've been using it ever since. It's a better way to leverage your money. The whole thing with trading, you want to be as safe as possible because you are going to have losing trades. So why lose your own personal capital if you could just trade a prop account and still get paid? I do not think they suck. If you go with the wrong prop firm, yes, they suck. But if you go with good prop firms, they honestly don't suck. And for a lot of people, whenever a trader or people say prop firms suck because of rules, that means you need to create or learn a simple strategy that makes it simple for you to trade. How to trade with a prop firm? Well, you buy an evaluation account. And all that is, it's a test. You're showing the prop firm that you can make. Most of these firms, they have a $3,000 profit target. You're showing them you can make $3,000. Once you show them you can make $3,000, they'll put you in a sim funded account. And when you're trading the sim funded account, that's the account you can take money out from. Realize, yeah, you live by your own rules, but if you lose 10K of your own funds, you lost 10K of your own funds. Where if you lose 10K in an eval or a funded account, right? All you lost was some time. You didn't lose actual money. I would honestly go with Tradeify. Use code LWS. That would get you 30 or 40% off. You're welcome. Or go with Lucid. Use code VOLT. That'll get you a pretty penny off as well. Tradeify. Trade with Tradeify. Use code LWS to get 30 to 40% off. Or trade with Lucid Trading. Do code VAULT, that's their code, and that'll get a pretty penny off as well. No, 100% all part of the game, but you're able to leverage more trading prop accounts than you are with personal funds. Where what prop accounts you can have, like the firms I trade with, 5 funded accounts. So you have way more capital that you can trade with. Where if you're trading only personal funds, you won't have as many accounts that you can trade. Thank you, Cleo. For you, bro, I would not recommend Apex. Especially since you just became part of the family. I would not recommend them. Honestly, I would recommend to you Lucid. Go with Lucid. Use code VAULT, so that way you're only all-in expense $78. Nice, Realist. But it's officially 11:05, everybody, my time. I'm gonna be tuning off. I gotta get ready to trade with you guys in the morning. So your boy wants to get some sleep, something sharp and dialed in so we can execute and print money once again as a family tomorrow. So hopefully you guys enjoyed tonight's stream. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like button, the sub button. We'll be back in the morning, 9:20 a.m. Eastern time. We'll be live, ready to make some more money with you guys and just vibe. Have a great rest of your night, Legacy family, YouTube community. Love all you guys. Be blessed, everyone. Have a great one. Ugh. I didn't forget to turn off the button, boys. Ha! I did not forget. That's how I'm into the stream, so I'm gonna just start shutting down, and you guys can see the shutdown. So that will let you know we're done. Have a good night, boys.